Hi, today I'm making a Numtrak Balep. It's a Tibetan deep fried bread. It's a traditionally we make for the special events, like if for example in my home some guest comes, like some monks comes for the prayer, and we offer from the breakfast Numtrak Balep. And that is a traditionally way Tibetan we offer for the special people. I'm making Numtrak Balep for 5 peoples, and I put 5 cups of AP flour, all-purpose of flours. I put half tablespoon of sugars and half tablespoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon baking powder, and I can mix first this together. Okay. Now I add the water. You have to do very smoothly because the baking powder, if you do strong, and it will not gives you the what baking powder have a power. You can destroy the power. I put like 5 cups of AP flour and 1.5 cups of cold water, and finally I needed like a smooth dough, and like sound can gives you, and you can cover for half an hour in plastics and keep it in the side. Yes, right now I'm rolling for Numtrak Balep. Numtrak Balep is a Tibetan bread, is a deep fry with the oil. So I'm using oil here. Yeah, that's it. This much oil. Okay, right now oil is heating up. So I came here and to roll the Numtrak Balep. Yeah, and like this, and you can hold it 2 times. Now the oil is hot, then be careful when you put the oil is hot and you can burn your finger and your hand. I don't want that at all. Be like when you're putting time, you have to put like slowly and just drop it like that. And you can see it from the bottom side should be a golden color, then you can turn. Now this is the bottom, you can see from inside, then you can turn it and see that color. It is the rock color, it is that color, it is the, that is the one we want, that color. From the turning, just like a 30 second or 40 second, that's it. You don't no more than that. It's already cooked in one side. And this is done already. This is a Tibetan Numtrak Balep, Tibetan fried breads. Enjoy. You love it, your kids love it, your grandfather loves it, your grandma loves it. Every single people in earth love this balep, because I can tell you the truth. You can go through the recipe, you can make it, you can make a love for every one of your family and give them love. Teach them how to cook. The cook is like when you cook, you make happy with your family.
Thank you, Tsering coming for cooking for us today. I really appreciate. I hope someday you will come again. Thank you very much.
And thank you. And thank you for yourwangdu.com and giving me this opportunity to show my recipe and teach, shows my beautiful things for the people. And thank you very much and have a very good evening. Thank you.